Have you ever sat down to do something important and somehow ended up deep in TikTok, arguing with strangers about whether Goku or Superman is stronger? Well, congratulations, you're a procrastinator. Procrastination isn't just laziness. It's when your brain says, "Work? Ha! How about we learn how bears hibernate instead?" And suddenly, it's 3 a.m., and you know everything about grizzly sleep cycles. Why does this happen? Our brain is basically two people in one office: rational brain, he's the responsible one, and emotional baby, who just wants fun. And guess who usually wins? Yep, the baby. He loves instant pleasure and hates long-term goals. How to fight procrastination? 5-second rule. When you don't feel like doing something, just count to 5 and start, even if it's for 1 minute. It tricks your brain. 10-minute rule. Tell yourself you'll work for only 10 minutes. Most of the time, you'll just keep going. Remove distractions, turn off notifications, put your phone away, and set up your workspace. The fewer distractions, the easier it is to focus. Now you know how your brain works and how to trick it. So, go on, close YouTube and get stuff done. Or at least try. Do you procrastinate a lot? Let me know in the comments.